In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your date of birth on your Twitter or X account. First, make sure you're logged into the correct X account in your browser or app. Once you're signed in, head to your X home dashboard. This is the main screen where you usually see your timeline with posts from people you follow. If you're not already there, you can get to it just by going to the X homepage or tapping the home icon. From your home dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a column with different options like Home, Explore, Notifications, and so on. In that same column, find and click on Profile. This will open your public profile page where you can see your header image, profile photo, bio, and other details people see when they visit your account. On your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button. It's usually near the top, around your header image and profile picture. Click on Edit Profile. This is where you can change things like your display name, bio, location, and also your birth date. Inside the Edit Profile view, you should see a field labeled Birth Date. Go ahead and click on Birth Date. When you do this, X will open a more detailed screen just for editing your date of birth and its visibility settings. Next, click on the Edit option for your birth date. This will allow you to actually change the values. X may show you drop-down menus for the month, day, and year. Start by clicking on the month drop-down and select the correct month for your birthday. Then, click on the day drop-down and choose the correct day. After that, click on the year drop-down and select the right year of birth. Take a moment to double-check that all three parts of the date are accurate, since your age on the platform depends on this information. When you're happy with the new date, look for the Save button on the screen and click on Save. X will apply your changes, and your updated date of birth will now be linked to your account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your date of birth on your X account by going from your home dashboard into your profile, opening Edit Profile, adjusting your birth date, and saving your new details.